What's going on this morning, family? Wanted to check in with you before I get ready to go do the smaller service call. Just wanted to say, man, the way that I got this one set up is working good for me right now. As you see, I got one of my cylinders off because I like to only take with me what I need, and it just form a habit of not having too much with me, just having what I need to get the job done. And if I know I'm not going to be doing any TIG welding or doing any aluminum, I don't take the argon bottle with me. So that's why I just keep it off unless I'm using it. But on a regular basis, I'm always using the cutting torch. And so I designed it like this to be able to be more equipped as far as getting the job done. You know, it ain't about having a lot of bulky stuff to take up a lot of room. It's what you need. Sometimes we just need to realize, what do I need to get the job done, stay organized, and be able to still accomplish and kill two birds with one stone. I mean, that's the big goal at hand. So designing this right here is helping me kill a few birds with one stone. It's simple, it's modern, and it's most definitely durable and allows you to be portable and more independent in your welding career. Hold on.